Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be exploring Edmit Career Pathfinder's Stage 2, Exploring Career Paths. When we're ready, we'll click Start on the first lesson. Now, just like last time, I'll go over these 3 main points, but of course feel free to pause the video and take more time as you're going through the content. Additionally, if you have any more questions, or would like to spend more time here, you can always click the Go Deeper, Read the Full Guide link between the back and next buttons. Stage 2 is all about exploring different career paths and comparing them using labor market data. The first step here is to think about how labor market data can give us an overview of what a career actually looks like. Then, to get started, we'll review average salary, education level, location info, and job availability for different career paths. And finally, we'll learn about how reviewing key data points now can help ensure a good job fit later. When we're all set with this information, let's go ahead and click Next. The second page here gives us information about how work-based learning can help us explore career fit. Number 1, work-based learning allows us to test out a career without fully committing to it. Second, work-based opportunities including job shadowing, internships, volunteer work, and apprenticeships are great opportunities. And finally, discovering what we don't want in a job is just as important as finding out what we do like in a job. Let's go ahead and click Next again. Now, the last step in this stage introduces us to how to use the ONET report for different careers that we've selected. We can use ONET, the same provider of the survey from last video, to look at career outcomes for different careers of interest. For each career in our career list, we can click the ONET report. For the demonstration today, I'll click on the ONET report for graphic designers. At the top of the page, we'll see some information about what they do, on the job, what your duties might be, as well as knowledge, skills, and abilities that you might need or develop while you're on the job. Additionally, there's some information about what personality traits most align with this career, and then some technology that you might use on the job. Finally, there's information about the education required, the job outlook, which is your career opportunities and salary information, as well as some even more information about other careers that are similar or you might find interesting as well. Once we've gone through that, we can return to Edmit and we can view the ONET report for another career on our list. Once we're all set there, we can return to Edmit and then click Done. Now that's all for this video, but as you continue to add careers to your list, you can always view the ONET report by clicking on the ONET report button. Thanks so much. See you next time.